Okay, we're going to talk about a river trip today, how to take one, how to find out where you're going to put in the river, where you're going to take out the river. That's what paddlers call these, put-ins and takeouts. The best place to find them is to look for where roads cross the river. Any place a highway crosses, there's an overpass, never an underpass, and there's always a place there you can get down to the river easily. You have to decide how many miles you want to paddle that day. You might go as far as a mile or as far as 10 or 12 miles in a day. But just decide that before you get to the river because you need to leave a car. You don't want to paddle alone. You want to have at least 2 cars on these trips. A car to put in and a car to put it to take out. You may have 2 people with you, you may have a group of people, but it's always good to paddle in groups. One way I find these places on rivers is to look at maps. If you're thinking about topography, there might be some rapids along the way. I like to look at a map, and I've got a thing called the South Carolina Gazetteer. You can get it at just about any truck stop, bookstore here in Spartanburg that has maps all over the county, all over the South Carolina, where you can actually find the places where fishermen put in. Often the fishing put-ins are concrete boat ramps, so they're easy to get in and take out. There's a couple of them in Spartanburg County. This is the page in the South Carolina Gazetteer that shows the area we're interested in, the Lawson's Fork, Packlet, Broad rivers. And I wanted to show you the little symbol for the boat ramp or the put-in or takeout that you might see on these maps. And it's right here. It's a little boat. You'll see there's a little fish symbol right beside it. This means it's a good fishing area. So those of you who aren't just recreational paddlers might want to look for these, and you can actually dip a line in the water. Here on this river, the Lawson's Fork, you can see behind me, there's some good put-ins and takeouts. You can find them by way of looking for maps on the internet called Blueway trails and water trails. This is a really intricate topo map. It's called a quad, and you might not want to go this route. They're fairly expensive. They cost $2 or $3 a piece, but I keep mine with me in a dry bag like this. So once you have these maps, you just decide your route, go to the river, and have some fun.